Question. P.S. If x to the power of 4 minus 1 is smaller than 0, then which of the following is range of x? Solution. Important absolute inequality, Part 2. X squared plus 1 is greater than 0 will always hold for all x, because the minimum value of x squared will be 0. Therefore, x squared plus 1 is greater than x squared, which is greater or equal to 0, or x squared plus 1 is greater than 0 for all x. Linear quadratic equation. Y equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. If a is greater than 0, then a times x squared plus b times x plus c is smaller than 0 gives between. And a times x squared plus b times x plus c is greater than 0 gives LLGG. The rule of between and LLGG, that is less than lesser and greater than greater, holds. That is, for a quadratic inequality, the solution is between the roots when a is greater than 0 and y is smaller than 0. And the solution will be less than the lesser of the roots or greater than the greater of the roots if a is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. We are required to find the range of x if x to the power of 4 minus 1 is smaller than 0. Let us modify x to the power of 4 minus 1 is smaller than 0. Then, x to the power of 4 minus 1 equals whole of x squared minus 1 times whole of x squared plus 1 is smaller than 0. Here, x squared plus 1 is always greater than 0, so x squared minus 1 is smaller than 0. This can be further written as whole of x minus 1 times whole of x plus 1 is smaller than 0. We are looking at an inequality with a range between the roots of whole of x minus 1 times whole of x plus 1. Hence, negative 1 is smaller than x, which is smaller than 1. Thus, B is the correct answer. Answer B.